before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, this is oil, and we're gonna tip the water, and what else?
We're gonna make lava.
And we're gonna make lava, and it's a lava challenge. We got some water, pink oil, and it says cupcakes, but it's a lava. We can change colours to lavas because we're allowed to change colours, which one we like, and we can change pink or blue or white or yellow or a different colour, and I choose pink colour. And we got a message.
Put the water there now. A little bit.
Look.
It's enough.
Don't
Wait a
put
minute.
this in.
Look, can you see all the bubbles?
Yeah, bubbles. Look, come on.
And the water is going out the bottom because oil and water don't mix together.
Yeah, mixed together.
Yeah.
And it floats and it wiggles all around. Let me open it for me, Mum. Now we'll do drops.
Nice and very slow, small dots.
Okay.
Nice and slow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now add the tablet.
Now add the tablet. Okay.
Can you see the colour is at the bottom? It doesn't go everywhere.
Oh, oopsie.
It doesn't go in a while.
It's bright.
It's okay.
It's okay, I can use it all. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry, you have to do another one.
No, just watch.
It's pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Whoa, it's actually lava. I want to do another one. So do another one.
Let's watch this one.
Yeah, and then do another one. Whoa. Whoa! I don't believe it. Oh, I need like my earrings. Okay. Whoa. Look, it's going up and down, up and down. There it is.
Is it?
Yeah. Whoa. That's how it makes lava. I want to do a blue lava challenge. Thank you for watching. If you want to see another challenge, if you want to see another YouTube channel, click on my bio and you can see all my YouTube channels. Bye.